Hey everybody, it's Black Friday, and I figured rather than just come on and tell you about all the great deals we have, I would show you some of my favorite wigs from each brand and give you the chance to guess which wig and which color I'm wearing while I talk about the brand and the special. So let's jump right in. I have so many deals to tell you about, I couldn't memorize them, so I have a little cheat sheet next to me in case you see me looking this direction. All right, we're going to start out with Belle Tress. And Belle Tress for me is known for being low density, very rarely using permatease or very little permatease, having impeccable hairlines, as you can see there, and just great feeling fibers and great colors. All right, I'm going to spin and show you this style. You see if you can figure out which one it is and which color. Really pretty, right? If you haven't guessed, this one is Cardiff in the color Crushed Almond Blonde Rooted. And just so pretty and so elegant. All right, the Belle Tress special for Black Friday is not only are they 30% off, but you can get a bonus discount by putting the code Black Friday in at checkout. Let's move on to the next brand. Okay, on to Raquel Welch. Few things I think of with Raquel Welch. First of all, glamour. They do some of the most glamorous styles. It's like the go big or go home type styles. In fact, when I did a video with my sister, I put on Flip the Script, I think it was, and she was like, oh my gosh, you look like you're going to the Grammys, and you're not just going, but you're getting an award. It's that type of glamour. Also, they do beautiful reds, and that's why I wanted to show you a wig in red. For my daughter's wedding, one of my daughter's weddings, I wore Current Events in Golden Russet with a dark green dress, and it was just beautiful. All right, I'm gonna spin and show you this style, see if you can guess what it is and what color it is. So pretty, right? This is Well Played in Shaded Iced Pumpkin Spice. Look at that color, just gorgeous. All right, so Raquel Welch is 35% off right now, and you get a free gift with purchase, which is a Cleanse and Restore Travel Duo. And they're also having a giveaway. One lucky winner will get their choice of Upstage, Editor's Pick, or Winner Elite, and a wig travel kit. And for every Raquel Welch wig or topper purchase, you'll get a free entry into that raffle. Okay, on to the next. Okay, I have no doubt a lot of you are going to be able to guess this one. She has been so popular. The brand is Jon Renau, and Jon Renau does casual elegance so well and color so well. Some of the most beautiful blondes I've seen. Also, they have wigs with special features like their smart lace, the lace that comes all the way around the ear tabs. They have some wigs with the silicone nape for comfort, and their hand-tied wigs are 100% hand-tied and very comfortable. So those are the things that I think of when I think of Jon Renau. I'm going to spin and show you this style. Speaking of 100% hand-tied, this is Holly in Venice Blonde. Such a great style. Right now, Jon Renau is 30% off, and you get a gift with purchase, which is a full-size texturizing dry shampoo. Also, they're doing a giveaway. One lucky winner will win a synthetic wig of their choice in the color of their choice. And for every Jon Renau wig or topper purchase, you get a free entry into that raffle. Next is Rene of Paris. And Rene of Paris is one of the brands that falls under the Adirans umbrella. So this special actually is for all of the Adirans brands, which are Rene of Paris, Orchid, Amour, Alexander Couture, and Noriko. This is a Rene of Paris wig, and when I think of Rene of Paris, I think of a few things. First of all, these wigs hold up. They are my workhorse wigs. I love them. And secondly, they have some of the most beautiful grays or colors transitioning to gray. Now, this one is Trey Chocolate Rooted, which could be considered a brunette, but because of that light color in there, I think it's a great transition if you're a brunette going gray. And the Adorans brands have some of the best colors for brunettes going gray. So I really like to recommend them for people who don't want the, a lot of grays will have more of just the white and the black or the silver, but there's no brunette in it. But people who are looking for a brunette in their gray, I always recommend the Adorans brands. Okay, I'm gonna spin, show you this style. See if you can guess it. I've worn her a lot. And she has held up so well. Like I said, these are workhorse wigs. They're great. This is NYX in Trey Chocolate Rooted. Okay, so for all of these brands that fall under Adorans, they're currently 45% off. That is huge. If you choose any of their human hair wigs, those are 35% off. And right now, there's a travel maintenance kit that's a gift with purchase. So with your purchase, you will receive that kit. Okay, this next brand is Estetica. And I'm probably not the only person where when you think Estetica, the first word that comes to mind is comfort. I hear time and time again that these are the most comfortable wig caps, and women with larger heads also, because of the stretch in the caps, can usually wear Estetica. They are so comfortable, they never bother me, I can wear them all day. Also, recently, Estetica has really broken into the heat-friendly market, and I'm wearing one of their new heat-friendly wigs, and I absolutely love this one. You may have seen it on me before because I've already worn it many times on camera. All right, I'm going to spin and show it to you. This is Summers in RH 1488. Such a beautiful style with these loose waves. I love it. Estetica is 35% off right now. Okay, the next brand, Henry Margu, known for their classic styles and fibers that last. They've recently entered the heat-friendly market. This is one of their heat-friendly styles that I absolutely love. I'll spin and show it to you. Did you guess? This is Dallas in 26 GR, and I love the way they do their rooting. Their rooting is not real stark, it's very natural looking. The Black Friday special for Henry Margu is that they are 30% off. Okay, Ellen Wille. To me, they have one of the widest arrays of different styles. They have so many different wig styles, and they are done so well. Also, they're known for being low density. This is one of my newer Ellen Wille wigs, and I absolutely love this style. I'm going to spin and show it to you. I just love the way they do the waves in this. It's so natural looking. If you haven't guessed, this is Cookie and Smoke Frosted. Such a pretty color too. Right now, Ellen Wille is 35% off. If you're looking for a brand that has a huge selection of colors, you have to check out Envy. In addition to that, some of their wigs have a So Soft cap that is so comfortable. If you have a sensitive scalp and the lace fronts bother you, try the So Soft cap. This wig does have that, and it's just so comfortable. I wish you could feel it. All right, I'm gonna spin and show you this. See if you can figure out which one this is. I tried this one on when I did the interview with Alan Eaton from Envy. This is Belinda in Creamed Coffee. I just love this color. Look at that. So pretty. Envy right now is 35% off. Okay, another brand known for comfort and for fitting a wide array of sizes. Again, if you have a larger head, TressAllure could be a great brand for you. From the start, I loved the TressAllure color 1723 R8. It was such a beautiful, warm color, mixing the reds with the brunettes, with the blondes. And this is an updated version of that color. This is EL 1723 R8. I gave away the color. I'm not going to tell you the style. I'm going to spin and show it to you. I wanted to show you a really long wig for you ladies who like really long. I think the way they did the curls or waves on this is so beautiful. Did you guess it? It's California Beach Waves by TressAllure in EL 1723 R8. Right now, TressAllure is 40% off, and there's a gift with purchase, which is a travel size wig wax. If you're looking for some great workhorse wigs at great prices, look no further than Main Attraction. They have some really perfect styles that you can wear, and they really hold up. I'm going to spin and show you this one. I've had this one, I think, from near the beginning of my wig journey, and I've had so many people try it on in videos, particularly my sisters, if you go back to the older videos. But anyway, I'll spin and show this to you. You can see she's really held up. Did you guess? This is Seduction in Toffee. Main Attraction right now is 30% off. And back to where we started from, this is Belle Tress Cardiff in Crushed Almond Blonde Rooted. I got her from our open box section. If you haven't checked out our open box section, you have to. It's a great place to score some really good discounts. And right now we're having an open box inventory clear out sale, so the prices are slashed even more. If you don't know what an open box wig is, it's a wig that's been purchased and then returned, usually because the person doesn't like the color for them or the style for them. And when they come back to us, we put them through a strict inspection process. And if they pass inspection, then they get put up at a discount in our open box section. So make sure you go over and check those out. All right, I hope you all have a wonderful Black Friday weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.